Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am gonna show you how to balance a chemical reaction with the help of oxidation number method. So first there are some rules which have to followed in this method. So I am writing the rules here and then I will understand you how to solve this type of problem. The first rule is identify there are total 4 rules here through which you can easily balance a chemical reaction with the help of oxidation number method. So first I am writing these rules, then I will understand you how to balance a chemical reaction. Charge balance. So there are 4 rules. First, identify the atoms who are undergoing oxidation and reduction. Second, balance those atoms who are undergoing oxidation and reduction. And third rule, charge balance. That is, the number of electron should be balanced for those atoms who are undergoing oxidation and reduction with the help of cross multiplication. And fourth rule, to balance the oxygen and hydrogen atom by adding water and H plus ion to the site where the oxygen and hydrogen ions are less in number. So these are the basic 4 rules through which you can easily solve or balance a chemical reaction with the help of oxidation number method. Now I am taking some example to clarify my theory. First, SO2 with CO gives these are a chemical reaction I have taken. The SO2 reacts with carbon monoxide and gives CO2 and sulfur. Here SO2 where the oxidation state becomes +4 and this is 0. So this will be reduction and it will be oxidation. So at first identify the atoms those are undergoing oxidation and reduction. Here it is sulfur, SO2 undergoing reduction, and this will be oxidation. So Identify the atom and balance those atoms. First, here one sulfur present in left hand side, and here also one sulfur, so balance one carbon also balanced here. Now I have to balance the charge, that is the number of electron for oxidant and reductant. Here +4 to 0, that is reduction, the number of electron decreases, 4, and here 2, that is I have cancelled this, and because through which the calculation would be easy. Now I have to cross multiply this. In case of SO2, it converted to sulfur atom where 2 electron release, and CO converted to CO2 where 1 electron release. So we have to cross multiply the atoms with this electron, that SO2 converted to sulfur with the release of 2 electron, and this 2 electron is multiplied with CO. On the other hand, this 1 electron is multiplied with SO2. So I am writing here. Now the one sulfur balance, 2 carbon balance. Now oxygen, the number of oxygen also balanced here, because 2 plus 2 4 and 2 plus 2 4. So this is a complete balanced equation. In this way you can easily balance a chemical reaction with the help of oxidation number method. I am taking another example. Here you can see FeCl3 reacts with SO2 again in presence of water, and gives FeCl2 plus H2SO4. This is another equation where SO2 acts as an reducing agent. It gets itself oxidized. H2SO4 where the oxidation number +6 and here +4. So here Fe3 plus to Fe2 plus. So here again the same method is applied. First, this is reduction, this will be reduction, and the number of electron decreases, +3 to +2, that is 1 electron decreases. And here oxidation, two electron increases, that is +4 to +6, 2 electron will be losses. So identify the atoms who are undergoing oxidation and reduction. Here one Fe, left hand side FeCl3, here also one Fe, balanced. Here one sulfur balanced. So this is balance. Now cross multiplication in order to balance the charge. First FeCl3 converted to FeCl2 with the release gaining of 1 electron. So this will be balanced with SO2, and this with this. SO2 converted to H2SO4 with the release of 2 electron. So 2 electron will be multiplied with FeCl3. So I am again writing in this way in order to calculate this charge. Okay. Now in this case I have not considered water here, because the oxygen and hydrogen at last will be balanced by adding H plus and water molecules. So I have not considered water in this case, only considered those atoms who are undergoing oxidation and reduction. So these two atoms are mainly take part in oxidation and reduction. So I am not adding this. You should follow the rules properly, through which you can easily balance this reaction in this reaction, and it is an easy method to balance a chemical reaction by oxidation number method. So 2 FeS balance, you can easily understand 2 FeS and 2 FeS. After cross multiplication the reaction is formed in this way. two fedas balance, one sulfur balance. Now oxygen, there are two oxygen present in reactant, only two, and right hand side there are four oxygen, so oxygen is not balanced. So I am adding two molecule of water. In this way the oxygen become balanced. Two oxygen balance. 2 plus 2 4, and there are two hydrogen. There are no hydrogen present. We are 4 hydrogen, there are 2 hydrogen. So 2H plus also added here in order to balance hydrogen. And 1 chlorine, 6 chlorine, there are 4 chlorine. Sorry. There are 6 chlorine and there are 4 chlorine. So this is not balanced. I am adding 3. So again 3 into 2, 6 chlorine, and there are there are 6 chlorine, there are 6 chlorine atoms also balanced. 3 fedas balanced, and oxygen 4, there are oxygen 4 and hydrogen 4. So I hope you will understand my theory in this video. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe my channel Chemistry Lovers. And if you have any query regarding this theory, you can ask me through the comment section. I will definitely give the answer of your doubts. Okay, thank you.